bilateral relapse left foot. The right side was done earlier. We are going to do the left side today. Though the baby has some adduction, foot adduction, but dynamic adduction wasn't that much. So today our plan is posteromedial release. Tibialis anterior transfer we'll consider after doing the whole thing. So we'll go through a posteromedial incision. We'll separate tendinoachilles first and do a jetplasty of tendinoachilles. Then we'll identify tibialis posterior and digitorum, flexor digitorum. So after identifying those two structures, we'll be doing jetplasty of tibialis posterior and flexor digitorum. After that, we'll identify flexor hallucis, which is supposed to be a little in front of tibialis tendinoachilles, and we'll do the jetplasty of that flexor hallucis also. After that, we need to do capsulotomy. We'll go to the ankle first, and we'll be cut ankle capsule from posteriorly, medially, and laterally. Then we do subtalar capsular release, and again from posterior, medial, and release. Posterior, medial, and lateral. We'll do talonavicular capsular release also. We'll give a separate incision probably, and we'll cut the talonavicular capsule medially, superiorly, and inferiorly, and if needed, laterally also. We might put a KVAC for that reduction, and after all these things, we'll keep in reduction, then close, we might put 1 or 2 KVAC, then we'll close, complete all those jetplasties and skin closure after keeping it dry. We'll put up a long leg posterior slab.
Thank you.
X-ray of a foot, of a baby foot, that is left and right foot, AP and lateral view. If you look into the lateral view, we can clearly see there is calcaneal coalition, tarsal coalition. It is one of the tarsal coalitions. There could be other coalitions too. So it needs. It is a cluster, so it needs release, and we'll be releasing all those long tendons like tendinoachilles, flexor hallucis, flexor digitorum, and tibialis posterior. And we'll do capsular release of talonavicular joint and the ankle joint, maybe some other joints too. So as there is talocalcaneal, we are not going to do any osteotomy or anything, at least for now. Maybe you'll be needing something later. So we will try to correct as much possible with all the soft tissue releases. Thank you.
এবার আমরা ক্যাশপুর দিকে চলে আসি। তল দিয়ে যাই।
বদরুল ভাই, টেন্ডোফিলিস কত মাস্কুলার, হ্যাঁ? Apparently, the first thing comes out is digitorum. Let's see. Again, we can check. The toes doesn't move. Toes doesn't move. It could be tibialis posterior. It could be tibialis posterior. And the
ভালো কোনটা এটা? ওকে, ভালোটা দিয়ে দিছি ওখানে।
ঠিক আছে। বদরুল is right. This one is
tendon. Which tendon?
Digitorum. Flexor digitorum. And we can see muscles. The toes are moving.
Okay.
And there is some addition. So also the great toe is moving. Great toe should move with the movement of flexor digitorum, but here it is moving. Flexor hallucis should be there somewhere in front of the tendo Achilles, or between tendo Achilles and the vessels. Hallucis. Let's see. Okay. This is hallucis. Look, this is hallucis. This is flexor. This is getting clear of the subtalar joint. It goes behind the talus and goes below. And we are just cutting the. We are not doing jetplasty here. We are just excising the tendon. Then the muscles will be there and muscles will be stressed, and some sorts of jetplasty will happen here. Lengthening will happen here. ওই যে মাসলটা রয়ে গেছে পিছনে ওই আরেকটু ইয়ে আছে না হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ধরেছিলেন so some sorts of jet plastic it is already lengthened dividing the tendo Achilles
লোয়ার মিডল আপার লেটার
হ্যাঁ না তুমি একদম ই পর্যন্ত যাও tendo Achilles পর্যন্ত যাও go up to tendo Achilles go up to calcaneum go up to calcaneum just a minute ওদিকে আছেন আপনাদের plantar flex হ্যাঁ cut up to calcaneum cut just above the bone yeah cut ওদিকে যাও কারণ এদিকে ভেসেল আছে না এদিকে ভেসেল আছে একটু আছে ওকে cut the tendon first. Okay, leave the muscles.
Okay.
Because with stretching muscle will go.
Okay, stretching good. Now stretching is done. Good.
Okay, now. We are cutting it into half. Okay, that's it. তুমি ধরো Okay, we'll cut the tendon only. No, blade like that. कैसे? একটু প্ল্যান্টার ফেস করে ধরো এসে বদল এসে সরে দাও বাস ওইটা ওকে এইটাকে ধরে বদল
প্ল্যান্টার ফেস করো
behind below the posterior malleolus, so I can feel the posterior part of the tibia. We need to dissect here.
talus.
Okay. You get utmost correction here with all this medical. We will do talonavicular capsulotomy. Let's go there. Talus and the joint in front of this should be talonavicular. Feel karo. Middle malleus এর নিচে তার নিচে এটা should be talus আর তার সামনে যে জয়েন্টটা আসবে and this has to be talus, so I am putting it in talus, going down,
it's going in. This is the capsule. Again, this doesn't dip. This doesn't go. Hudul, So we are cutting the post inferior capsule. Now we'll cut the anterior capsule. Medial capsule has been opened up already. So this is the anterior capsule we are cutting. This is the inferior capsule, and this is medial one. Now, Russell. The flexor-digital.
Flexohumerus. This is the distal end of the flexohumerus. Just cardiac release is going to be done by smiling of the Dr. Bodrul.